How to add your YouTube channel link to your TikTok bio. This tutorial shows you how to do it and what to expect along the way. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device and tap on Profile at the bottom right. From there, tap Edit Profile. After that, tap on Link to see your linking options. At this point, tap on Website. This is where you'd add any third-party link like a YouTube channel. From here, TikTok will let you know that adding external links requires a verified business account. Following this, tap Get Started to begin the verification process. From there, check the box to agree to the terms of service and tap Get Started again. After that, fill out your basic business information. Your country or region is required, while your phone number, website, and industry details are optional. Once done, tap Next to proceed. At this stage, you'll be asked to upload a verified business document. This could be something issued by the IRS that includes your employer identification number. From here, upload the document and submit. Once your account is verified, you'll be able to add your YouTube link directly to your profile as a clickable link. Now, if you'd rather skip the business verification process, there's a simpler option. Go back to Edit Profile and tap on Bio instead. From there, just type or paste your YouTube channel link directly into the bio field. Keep in mind that links in the bio won't be clickable, but your viewers can still see it and type it in manually. That's how you add a YouTube link to your TikTok profile. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.